Today we're going to be taking a look at my tricked out Chinese Type 56 SKS rifle. I had this thing completely redone. The guy who did it did an amazing job. It's got an ATI Dragunov stock on it. It's got a bipod up here, and we've got an Ultimate Arms Gear scope system. This tactical SKS is a thing of beauty. I really liked it. It was a lot of fun to shoot. You know, the SKS is fun to shoot whether you make it tactical or not. The guy who did the work for me on this, Basaru, check out his channel. I'll put a link in the description. Fantastic guy, did great work. This is a beautiful rifle, and it shoots great. Had a lot of fun. I've had an awesome time putting lead down range today. What a great time shooting the SKS. Thank you so much for watching. As always, happy shooting, everybody.